Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about how you can end the call using the power button of your device Realme C35. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to end the incoming call using the power button of the device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can end the call using the power button of your device Realme C35. Let's watch the video.